Hey guys, today I received this heated vest for reviewing purposes, and I think that it's really nice because it hits upon the back or the front, and depending of where you want it, you can set it up. It has a really comfortable feeling. Okay, it comes with the power bank, so we can use it. Okay, and this is it. As you can see, it's quite nice. It's fleece-like. Okay, we open it. Has the pocket for the power bank in here with the proper connecting bit. Okay, it's a USB-A. In case that you want to change the power bank, you can do it. Okay, and we'll place on best hard on size L, and I think that it fits perfectly. You got a pair of bags at the sides, and well, you can just being like this with the vest open, or in case you wanna maximize the heating functions, you can close it up and well use the functions. You have the controls right here. We can turn on some belly heating functions and on the back. Okay, so I'm gonna take the power bank, okay, to test it out. I have the power bank right here. You can use it even with your cell phone. You got two USB-A, a micro USB port, and a USB Type-C cable. Okay, so well, I'm gonna place it where it goes. Just like that. Turn it on. We'll be placing it in here once again, and I'm gonna turn it on. You got 3 different temperatures ranging from up to 149 degrees Fahrenheit that can last up to 3 hours working the best with a full-on powered power bank, and the medium temperatures goes upon 131 degrees with 4 total working hours, or in case that you are gonna need it a long time, you can use the low temperature, which is up to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. And as you can see, it's quite nice. Okay, I like a lot. It feels of an amazing quality, and I like that it comes with the both bags and even the inside bag, and the inside pouch, so I can place the power bank right there. Overall, I think that it's really nice. I like it a lot. I think that I look really nice, and I think that it can be a perfect vest, so you can take it with you when you're not gonna go camping or any kind of outdoors activity you want to do. I think that it's really nice, and I actually really like it, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.